Hey everybody, it's Vince and I'm here with yet another Hungryroot unboxing. If you're interested in trying Hungryroot, you can use my special coupon code. When you go to checkout, use Vince for $25 off your first 2 boxes of Hungryroot, a total savings of $50 off. Alright, I'm actually making some tortilla soup right now, but let's see what I get in my Hungryroot box for this week. Ice packs, peanut butter coconut cookies, and coconut lemon pie bites. Here are my greens, the super salad blends for the different recipes I have this week. Banana bread oats. This is good stuff. Lemon kale quinoa salad. This has quickly become one of my favorite things from Hungryroot. It is quinoa and kale, and yeah, this one's dented a little bit, but it's okay. It's all sealed up and perfect. What I love about these is that I don't have to do any cooking or preparation. I just grab this out of the fridge and take it with me wherever I'm going that day. Carrot rice. This is new. This is one of the newer things. I have not tried it yet. It's just chopped up carrots, and I can't even remember what sauce it goes with. Mint kale avocado gazpacho. Not sure how I feel about that, but I'm gonna give it a try. Olive tapenade. This is really good. Black bean brownie batter. Almond chickpea cookie dough. Tofu veggie burger. Chickpea alfredo. Roasted corn edamame. Black bean corn cucumber. And the Italian herb chickpea medley. That's everything for this week. If you guys want to try Hungryroot, use coupon code VINCE at checkout for $25 off your first 2 orders. I love getting Hungryroot, and I still go to the grocery store and buy food and cook food. Hungryroot just gives me more options. So, like I've said in the past, I'm not vegan, but having this healthy food in the fridge makes me think a little more and choose a little better. If you're trying to get your eating right, if you're trying to start fresh, you can just try this, get the first 2 boxes, and if you don't like it after you get the first 2 boxes, you don't have to keep getting it. You're in control with Hungryroot, and I hope you guys will give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe. See you next time.